guys, hindi nga ba talaga babayaran ng insurance company ang insurance claims mo kapag binawian ka ng buhay ng dahil sa war, tamaan ka ng missile? Napapanahon tong tanong na to. Sagutin natin yan. Ang tanong ni client, I just received it now, sabi niya, Day, may exclusion ba sa death claim kapag ka ang kinamatay is during war? I understand the concern. So kapag kumuha ka ng insurance, meron tayong tinatawag na basic plan. Yan yung amount ng insurance na binili mo sa insurance company. Now, we also have here the rider. Ano yung mga rider? Guys, para siyang cheese sa burger. Add-on. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng meron, pwedeng wala. Usually, ang mga insurance advisors, nilalagyan namin ng accidental death benefit ang plans ninyo. So, we also have here the accidental death benefit. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung sulat ko. Ang exclusion usually ng war ay nag-a-apply lang po sa accidental death benefit. For example, si client, tinamaan ng missile, binawian ng buhay, ang hindi lang po i-release ng insurance company is the 2.5 million. But, your basic plan of 5 million will be released. So, I hope guys, I answered your questions. It's valid and it has to be answered tonight. I hope I was clear. If you have questions regarding your insurance plans, comment it down below. Sasagutin natin yan sa susunod kong video.